Hey everyone, thanks for taking a few minutes with me today. Hey, we are really excited to announce that we've launched 3 new features for TitleTrak. You can now save reports, you can share them with your team, and you can export data from those reports. So I want to go in and show you really quickly just how to use those features and what they look like. You're going to go to our homepage, navstats.com, click on either login or dashboard. That will take you into the dashboard that you're familiar with already. Not a lot of change, but there's a few things I wanted to call out. So you'll notice we have our competitive selection. We chose the top 8 competitors. We are in Clark and Cowlitz County, and we are set for this month. Now you can use the drop down to look at anything. We've got several different options here that are most commonly used, but let's just look at this month for now. And in any one of the resale, refi, or new construction, these are our detail reports in residential and commercial. You can choose any one of those reports and it will give you the closings details. So this is all the closings that happened last month or this month with the competitive set that we chose. And here you'll see an export button that we've added. You can download that information into a CSV file. When you open that up, you'll see all of the transactions for each of the counties or each of the companies in that county. Last month in Clark and Cowlitz, there were 359 transactions done. So good example of how to use the export functionality. And then a quick tip, if you want to see how much of a lag is in a specific county, go make sure you're on this month. So you have the current month selected, and then click on closing date twice, and it will bring you most recent to least recent. So you can see here the most recent transaction that we have in our database from the recording office is 324. So as of today's date, that is 7 days behind. So in 1 week, Monday the 7th, you'll have all of March in your database if you're in Clark or Cowlitz County. So just wanted to call that out. Quick tip to see what the lag time is in your area. Just to give you another example, let's jump into, let's go into Spokane County. And you'll see a couple of companies there. Again, do the same thing. And the most recent is the 21st. So looking at calendar, they are a week and 3 days behind, 4 days behind. So basically 10 days behind. So that's how you determine what the lag time is for the county you're working in and when each of your monthly reports will be available. Okay, let's jump back into Clark and Cowlitz, since that's what we were looking at. And we're going to look at how to create reports and share them with your team members. So let's say that you, as a director or manager of your company, want to keep track of the monthly report. So let's go into last month. That will select the previous month. Now, tomorrow, last month, will switch to March. But as of today, the last month is February. So now we have February chosen. We got our competitive set. One feature that we added a few months ago that I just wanted to call it is a market overview. This will give all of the competitive set that you had and all of these specific numbers. So the top 10, resale for residential, refi new, so total residential, total commercial, resale, refi new, and vacant lots. So this will give you all of these report details in one sheet. We're working on doing a graph representation of this, a bar graph or some type of graph that helps you see these numbers in total and in totality so that you can see what's happening in the marketplace. So be on the lookout for that. But back to saving reports. So let's say you wanted to keep track of residential resale on a monthly basis in Clark County and Cowlitz County with these 8 competitors. Here's your market trend lines, and here are the closings. All you need to do is on this page up at the top, click Save This View, and we're going to call it Clark, Cowlitz, Res Resale Monthly. And you want to make this your home view, and this is your sharing feature. So everybody that has access to this dashboard, to our program, so any seats that you've assigned will show up here, and you can just go in and very easily click to add people to that list, to share this report, click save, and it will now show up in your saved views, Clark County Cowlitz Resale Monthly. You'll see here that this is a report that was shared with me. This is Benton County, Clackamas, Clatsop, 4 competitors. This is just a random report somebody created and sent to me. But you can toggle back and forth. So this will automatically pull up this information based on the parameters that you've selected. Now let's say, for example, that you have a team up in Cowlitz County, you have a team in Clark County. You want each of them to receive or to be looking at their specific county on a quarterly basis. So we're going to now change this. We're going to take out Cowlitz, and we're going to change this to this quarter. Apply the date range. Same set of competitors, and now we're going to save these changes as a new view, and we're going to call this Clark Res Resale Quarterly. And you're going to share it with several people, the team in Clark County. And we're going to do the same thing. Now we're just going to change it from Clark to Cowlitz and save that as Cowlitz Res Resale Quarterly. And then again, we're going to save it with a different set of people. The team in that area, save it. And now you'll see in your saved views, you have these 3 reports that we've saved. You can manage those, you can delete them, you can change your home views, you can set specific settings, change the people that you share it with. So again, as you get in this, it's incredibly intuitive and easy to use. But when you come in now to your home view will always be this last month for Clark Cowlitz County resale, residential resale. And again, when you have the saved views, you can bounce back and forth. So if you need to check Clark Residential, this is just Clark. Cowlitz Residential, just Cowlitz. So hopefully that helps. Would love to hear from you and get your feedback on this. If you're not a current subscriber, we would love to give you a free trial so you can try this out and see if it helps you gain greater visibility into marketplace to help grow your business. Thanks again. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.